This week, as a college community, we celebrate Timor Week. It's a chance for us to acknowledge the ongoing relationship that we share with our friends in Timor-Leste, the stories of resilience and hope, and the contributions of so many people helping to build a better world. As we continue on this journey together, we are guided by our touchstone of justice and solidarity, and reminded that it is only through support for each other, through story, and through relationships such as those with our friends in Timor that we are able to make a difference in the lives of others.
It's been my great pleasure to be involved in 2 Timor immersions with our Year 10 students. The great thing for me is that whilst we're able to hopefully walk in solidarity with the Timorese and perhaps provide something for them, what's really important is what our boys are able to take out of that and the lessons we learn from the Timorese around humility, around happiness, around the simple things in life being so important. That concept of walking in partnership is really clear in our relationship with Timor. Wonderful time to celebrate. Timor Week is a significant occasion, and we're very fortunate to have that relationship with the people of Timor. Thank you.
Bon dia. My name is Henry, and to celebrate Timor Week, I would like to tell you what it means to walk in solidarity with our friends in Timor. Our friends are the most peaceful, grateful, and respectful people you will ever meet, no matter what they have experienced in the past. They will continue to be resilient and bounce back, as well as being so humble and accepting to everyone, no matter our differences.
During our time in Timor, we heard stories of courage, resilience, and community. However, Timor in recent years has seen devastation and tragedy, the likes of which we wish to never see again in our lifetimes. By standing in solidarity with Timor and celebrating their independence, we are fulfilling the mission that we are called to as Terrace gentlemen.
East Timor and Terrace working together in solidarity is really big significant for the Timorese and also for Terrace, because through this moment of the working together in solidarity, it can give a chance to the students and also the community in East Timor. They can learn about the story between these 2 countries, and also especially for the students who are still in the stage of learning in the primary school and also high school. They can learn more and share together about the history from East Timor and Australia.
Walking in solidarity with our Timor friends, to me, is about demonstrating compassion. Compassion goes beyond feeling sorry for someone or feeling sad. It means walking in someone's shoes. How is it for them? And more importantly, how can we make a difference? The Terrace community cares about each other and cares about our friends in Timor. And through your efforts and the work of the Terrace Timor Network, we can change lives together.
Shalom. May the peace and love of Lord Jesus Christ be with us all. The twin schools, Terrace and Canalsa School, is going soon to celebrate 18 years of history, which brought both sides to walk side by side to discover, to value, the significance of working in solidarity with each other. This is a precious time for us to share, to thank God for the beauty of God that brings us to extend our faith, our life as human beings, and especially Australia and East Timor as a neighbour.
So as we continue on this journey together, we give thanks for those stories of resilience and for those people who bring hope during times of struggle. We pray for the people of Timor, that their example of strength, perseverance and courage may be one that inspires the next generation as they continue to build a nation filled with love and compassion. May we continue the mission to walk in solidarity with our Timorese brothers and sisters and be people who act with knowledge, humility and wisdom as we grow together in God's love.